Man, I'm coming back.
Don't let him go yet, Mike.
Nope. We'll keep him.
He's gonna let him go right in the bin. That's when you're gonna grill. Mike lets the last griller go. He's a fat boy. Yeah, I'll pull over there. Here, we'll let. He's gonna go in the sun. The Cardinal sent a camera over. Here, bring him on this side.
Mini bull.
Got about a 25 incher, 24 incher splashing everybody.
Swing it around here so I can see on this side, Mike.
Alright. Here's Mike with his nice big redfish he just caught. Beautiful red here in a beautiful February afternoon and evening.
This is the way to do it, right here. That's how to do it. This is so much fun, you would not believe it. You would not believe it.
Beautiful red. Look at the blue on his tail right there. It's beautiful.
It ain't the only one here. We've been catching them. Hear him thump.
All right.
Hear him drumming.